This is a lemur. It's singing. These critically endangered creatures are found only in Madagascar's rainforests and are known locally as Indri Indri. They sing as choirs, duets, and solo. Scientists, like this one,
My name is Chiara De Gregorio.
have spent more than a decade collecting songs from 20 Indri groups. And for the first time, they discovered that these songs have rhythm. Specifically, rhythm that appears in human music. As in, literally, the beginning of this classic song. The Indri is one of the very few primates to share this very human trait with, well, humans, making them a precious clue in the search for the evolutionary origins of music. So why do lemurs sing? And what can our distant cousins tell us about human musicality? The sounds Indri make can be broken into two categories: call and song. This is a call.
Calls are usually composed of like a single sound, kind of lacks complex and melodical organization.
Calls are used as alarm signals to warn against predators and as a way of getting attention from others before singing in a group. And this is a song.
Songs are longer, are more complex, are composed of different kind of notes following an order.
Simply put, Indri songs display common musical components that exist in human music. Here's a human
My name is Jean Shepard and I play the cuatro.
demonstrating musical components that appear in Indri song like
Pitch, melody, tempo, rhythm,
also defined as the placement of sounds in time. It is the one indispensable element of all music. Chiara's recent study discovered two examples of human-like rhythm in Indri songs: a one-to-one rhythm
intervals have the same duration. It's like the sound of a metronome.
kind of like this song,
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
and a 1-to-2 rhythm, where the second interval is twice as long as the first. Listen to this recording of an Indri. The combination of regular intervals between notes gives this song the same rhythm as Queen's famous song. Listening to a piece of music is a super complicated endeavor. Your brain processes a complex array of sounds, extracts information from it, and predicts what happens next. It's pretty amazing that our cousins have the same ability. So why do Indri sing?
In the Indri, there are different types of songs. Advertisement songs, which are given each morning when the family groups wake up. Cohesion songs, it's a way for the animal to find each other and then reunite in the forest. Territorial song, which is given when two family groups start this kind of vocal battle.
But the jury's still out on why lemurs developed this behavior in the first place. Scientists believe it's because rhythmic songs are easily distinguishable in the cacophony of the rainforest. But it's still a theory. The animal world is rich in song and rhythm. But Indris are special because they are our closest living relatives.
That may have also played a role in the evolution of our language.
This finding contributes to the ongoing discussion around the musical proto-language hypothesis, a Darwinian theory that language and music originated from a pre-linguistic stage that was more like music than speech. It's still unclear whether Indri song was a precursor to human song, or if our rhythmic abilities evolved independently. But this work is the starting point to figuring out more. There are less than 10,000 Indri left in the wild, and they are constantly threatened by habitat loss from deforestation and pollution. But hopefully our shared traits
Could be a good reminder of how we are animals ourselves, and we live in a world that is very important to preserve.